Welcome everyone. I am Priyadarshini Satpari, student of RCSM College of Agriculture under the University Mahatma Phule Krishi Vidyapeeth, Rahuri, Maharashtra. In relation to rural awareness work experience and agro-industry attachment 2020-21, I am going to demonstrate on making a bonsai on adenium plant. This video will be helpful for beginners in this bonsai field. Adenium is also known as desert rose as it needs very less amount of water. The roots of this plant itself stores water for it. This plant bears leaves on the top of its branch only, so we have to keep the branch short. Flowers of this plant is very beautiful, having a funnel shape and pink color. It's been 1 year I have planted this one. This is the time for repotting of it, and I thought to give it a bonsai look. We have to clean all this mess around the plant to get it out from the pot. While removing the upper soil, keep patience and do it slowly because we don't know how much big the root is inside. Otherwise, we may injure our plant. I repeat, keep patience doing this. So finally, my plant is out of the pot, and here is the beautiful mess created by nature and going to be saved by me. Remove all the dirt and wash it properly. We have to cut unnecessary roots first and cut it from the origin point one by one. I removed all the extra roots that I don't need in my plant. Now time to cut the shoot portion. As I am the sole person of doing this and making video at the same time, I could not record this, but you can cut it by a pruner or cutter. Cut it with different height, otherwise the plant will look so monotonous and crowded. As you can see here, moistures are coming out from the plant through the cutting portion. It may lead our plant to wilt or in water stress. So to block transpiration, we can plug it by mud. Here we can use Fevicol too. We need to plant it again in the pot. For potting mixture, you can use perlite, bricks, sand, vermicompost or compost. As it is lockdown and I can't get some ingredients, so I am using coconut husk, broken terracotta pieces and sand. I already mixed it, and again I could not manage to get a good beautiful pot to repot it, so I am using this for now. Here we planted our plant and give water to it. Place it with other pot in your rooftop garden. This one needs good sunlight. For management, apply water once in a week. For enlarging the root, we can use dried tea leaves used in the kitchen. This plant will show leaves after 2 days. After 2 months, you have a lush green adenium plant. This plant was reported by me 2 months before, and you can see the leaves, but the branches has grown very high. This is all about the video. Please like, share and subscribe if you find out this interesting. Any queries are welcome. And this small plant I got during removing of soil, you can plant it to get a new plant. I also forgot to inform that during repotting again after 1 year, you have to lift the root 1 to 2 inch. Thank you.